Hello everyone. As we have started the structure of atom topic, in that we have seen that what is the principle, or we can say that what is the statement and formula of the Heisenberg uncertainty principle. At that time I discussed with you that we have to solve some numerical based on that point. So today it's time to discuss the numerical based on the Heisenberg uncertainty principle. So in this way we are going to start with the first numerical. Now see here what is the numerical. Table tennis ball has a mass 10 gram. So one by one point also we will note down what is the given in this numerical. Okay. So if we consider here what is given, table tennis ball has a mass. Mass is given. It is 10 gram. This mass is given in the gram. So firstly we have to convert into kilogram. So as we know that when we are converting gram into kilogram, we have to multiply with the 10 raised to minus 3. First thing we have completed. After that they are given speed of 100 meter per second. So what is given? Speed is given. Speed is 100 meter per second. If speed can be measured within an accuracy of, accuracy is also given. So what is the accuracy? Accuracy is 10%. What will be the uncertainty in speed? Uncertainty in speed means we have to find out the delta V, and uncertainty in the position means we have to find out the delta X also. Clear to everyone? In such a way that we have to write, every time we have to write the given data, and after that we can use the formula and we can calculate it. Okay. So if we consider this one, Heisenberg uncertainty principle, what is the formula? Formula is delta X into delta V is equal to H by 4 pi. Here M is there, that mass I have shifted here. Clear to everyone? Now in this way, firstly we have to calculate the uncertainty in velocity, or we can say that uncertainty in the speed. So that purpose we are taking here one formula. Uncertainty in speed or velocity is equal to speed into accuracy. Which formula we are going to take here? Speed into accuracy. Speed is 100 meter per second into accuracy is 10%. It is given in the percentage. So what we are going to do? Just we are dividing it by the 100. So 100 will get cancelled, and delta V is equal to 10 meter per second. Clear to everyone? So uncertainty in the speed. So this part is covered. Now because as we know that H is the Planck's constant. Its value is 6.626 into 10 raised to minus 34. And as we know that value of pi is equal to 3.14. So here H is with us. Pi is also there. Mass it is given, that is the M. After that what we required, that is the delta V. Here we have calculated. Put all this given data in this formula. So delta X is equal to 6.626 into 10 raised to minus 34 divided by delta V. Firstly we have 4 into 3.14 into mass is 10 into 10 raised to minus 3, and delta V that just we have calculated, that is the 10. So if we consider this, if we are simplifying it, we can say that 6 to decimal we are shifting from this side to this side. So 662.6 into 10 raised to minus 34 divided by what will come? 4 into 3.14. So here if we are multiplying 314 into 4, 4 4s are 16, 4 1s are 4 plus 1 5, 3 4s are 12. So here 12 5 6 will be there into 10 raised to 2 into 10 raised to minus 3. So it will be 10 raised to minus 1. So finally 662.6 into 10 raised to minus 34 divided by one decimal we are shifting, we are giving the decimal because of 10 raised to minus 1 pause. What will be the value? 125.6. After this calculation we will get the answer. That answer is option B. That is the correct one. So here we have completed first example. So this is the last example. Okay, after that I will not make a board to you. Now the example. In an atom, an electron is moving with a speed of, what is given? Speed. Now here we are writing the given data. So what is given? In that speed is given. So now see here speed. How much it is? 600 meter per second. So in an atom, electron is moving with a speed 600 meter per second with an accuracy. Accuracy is also given. These two terms are helpful to calculate the uncertainty in the velocity or speed. So accuracy is 0.005%. Okay, it is again given in the percentage. Certainty with which the position of the electron can be located is, means what we have to find out? Here we have to find out the position of the electron, means uncertainty in the position, that is the delta x we have to find out. Now what is the formula that we will discuss firstly? Formula is delta x into delta v is equal to h by 4 pi into m. That mass I have shifted to this side because momentum delta p is equal to m delta v. So m is here. So here if we know the delta v, we can calculate the delta x. This problem is similar to the first problem. So before going towards that answer, just after completion of the questions, you have to pause this and write the question and try to solve it. Now see. Firstly, we have to calculate the delta V. So, how to find out? Delta V is equal to, what is the formula? Speed into accuracy. So, for that one, speed is 600 and accuracy is 0.005. It is in the percentage. So, divided by 100. 0 will get cancelled, and if we multiply with this one, then we will get the answer 6 5s are 30. After that 600 in this way, and after 3 decimals, so 1 2 3 means answer will be 0.03. delta V means its unit will be meter per second. So here we got the delta V value. Now what we have to we have to put all this value. What is the value? Delta x we have to find out. Delta V we got here. Okay, delta V, that is here. H, it is in the given data. Mass of electron, mass is there, but electron they have given particularly electron. So mass of electron is also given. Pi, as we know that the value of pi, it is 3.14. If we have put all this value in that formula, then we will get the answer. H is 6.6 into 10 raised to minus 34 divided by 4 into 3.14 into mass is 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 31. Delta V, how much it is? 0.03. So into 0.03. After this calculation, we will get the answer, and that answer will be, its answer is 1.92 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter. So everyone understood. If you have any doubt, you can write in the comment box. Thank you all of you.